editing your project, creating your project, I often recommend that you use Komodo Edit because it's a free editor and it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. But it's not the only one. There's other ones that I want to mention just so you know of them, because if you have any errors or issues with Komodo Edit, you might consider trying some of these other ones, because no software is perfect. I mean, it's made by people. So that being said, it is a very, very good free software. I mean, it's awesome. And if you could also consider upgrading to their IDE, which is just taking Komodo Edit and making it even better. And it's $90. So it's not cheap, but it might be worth that extra money once you start developing a lot. But if you don't plan on developing a lot, you plan on just doing some projects here and there, Komodo Edit as the free version is awesome. There are some other ones. I use Sublime Text a lot. This one also is $70. So it's Sublime Text 3 is the version that I use. It's supported pretty well. You can actually download it and use the free version for a while. It will have a little nag. I don't know if the nag ever goes away if you don't pay for it. But just keep that in mind. You can actually use that. PY Charm's another popular one. This one is also for sale, but I believe they have a trial version as well. I don't use this one a whole lot, but I've heard good things about it. Notepad++, here's another one. Again, free. I'm not sure about the support. And then PyDev, that's another one. So these are different ones that you might consider. But again, using Komodo Edit for cutting for entrepreneur stuff is kind of the default thing that we do. You might see Sublime Text 3 every once in a while as well. But Komodo Edit and those two are kind of like the default path for us. One other note is even Xcode, if you have a Mac, Xcode itself can edit Python files, so you might not even have to install anything other than Xcode, and then you would just set that as your default program for Python files, so you can just double click on any Python file and open up in Xcode. Of course, that is probably not recommended. Xcode is not really for Python, but you can use it for that. So let me know if you have any questions on this, but for now, stick with Komodo Edit if you don't know which editor you want to pick. Otherwise, you can kind of pick and choose your own, because the editor is just an editor. It's not the creator. You are the creator. You're going to be typing. It doesn't have anything really to do with the editor. Doesn't have anything really to do with your project. It just helps you make it better. It's kind of like saying, does Word have anything to do with writing a novel? Well, Microsoft Word is a great tool to get you to write that novel, but it's not really the content and the core of what's in there. It's just a tool to help you along the way. Every text editor, code editor is the same way. Okay, see you later.